So let's say that you have a problem like this, and this is a problem given to you in function notation. They could ask you the question like this. I'm going to show you one other way, but when you see this, what you want to do, you can come over here to Desmos, and you can just start typing in the function. F of x is equal to 2x raised to the second power, and just type it in. Okay, now you want to get a table of values that apply to this function. So go up here to the cogwheel and hit table. And now what values do you want to use as your x values and figure out your y values? Well, it's asking you f of -8. So I would come over here and I would change this to -8. Okay, my answer is 87. What about f of -5? So I'll come down here in my table and see how you can just change the x values to be the ones that they're asking you about. They're asking me about -2. So then I would come over here with my answer. So my answer to this problem would be 87. Another way to write that would be an ordered pair, like so. Or f of -5, that equaled 21. F of -2, that equaled -9. See, Desmos is doing all the order of operations part for me. And again, you can write these as ordered pairs. Another way that you might see a problem like this, instead of giving you this f of whatever as the function, it might also tell you something like with a domain. So this is different, right? This is with a domain of, and it'll give you some curly brackets. And let's say it gave you the numbers of like 4, 8, and 22. Doesn't matter. Oh, that would be a curly bracket. So let's get rid of all this for a second, because it's a different type of problem, okay? We're not talking about this kind anymore. Now we're talking about a different style of problem. So they gave you a domain. Well, what is domain? It's x values. So come over here to your table. Again, you just type in the function that they gave you. And then in the table, type in the values that you want to know about. You want to know about 4. You want to know about 8. You want to know about 22. And then it just gives me the range values. So then I would be looking for in my answer, or if I was asked to write my answer, I would say it has a range of 39, 151, and 1047. So you can see where I'm getting that and what I'm doing with it.